Do you want a groove that serves as a four-way coordination exercise? Do you want a groove that serves as a four-way coordination exercise? Coordination exercise. I thought so. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, what's going on under the hood? If we take out the right hand, it's actually not that bad. We're playing the quarter notes on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 on the snare drum. Bass drums are going to fall on every single eighth note that don't have a snare drum. So basically 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 3 and. Stick those three elements together. Coordination exercise all by itself. Now, let's get to the right hand part. What you've got is 1, 2 and 4. Stick the hands together, you'll have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Add the left foot back in. And if you want to make this more interesting, you can start to move that right hand pattern between two toms. I have 2 floor toms, but if you don't have 2, don't worry about it. You can literally go between any 2 toms you like. The first hit with the right hand is going to fall on tom A, whichever that is, and the next 2 hits will fall on tom B, whatever that might be. Now, the tricky part, adding the bass drum in, I suggest either writing this out or screenshotting it or just having something that you can see that's a visual aid for writing this out, because you want to see where everything is falling in accordance to everything else, just so you've got a visual reference. So, stick it together, you get this. You might want to take out the left foot just to begin with. 1, 2, 3. Left foot. 1, 2, 3. So good. Great brain melter. Enjoy. Mwah.